Hello, today we have English grammar test. We have to use has, have, is, was, are, and were to fill up the gaps. Test yourself with this and see how many you can get correctly. As I read out the question, try and see if you can get the correct answer. And I will also explain the reason for each answer, okay? 1. The boys blank playing football when it started to rain. Here we have a plural subject, boys. So since we have a plural subject, our verb is supposed to be a plural verb. Is singular, so it cannot go. Was is singular, it cannot go. Are is plural, where is plural. Now we consider this part of the sentence which says when it started to rain. So it is action in the past. So are is present, it cannot also go. The correct answer is where. The boys were playing football when it started to rain. 2. He blank already eaten his breakfast. What do you think is the correct answer to this one? Here we have a singular subject, so our verb is supposed to be singular. Also, we have the V3 verb here, eating. Eat is V1. Ate, V2. Then eating is V3. Is does not go with the V3 verb, so it cannot go. Have is plural, and we have a singular subject, so this cannot go. Had is always used in a sentence when you have two actions. Here we have just one action, so had cannot go. That means has is the correct answer. Has is singular. We have a singular subject. It goes with eating. So has is the correct answer. He has already eaten his breakfast. 3. They blank going to the market now. What are we to consider here? Should the answer be is, are, were, or had? Here we have plural subject, they. So our verb must be a plural verb. Also, we consider that we have a continuous tense here, and this shows that the action is present. It is happening now. So is singular, it cannot go. Are is plural, can it go? Let's hold on. Where is plural, the action is happening now, so it cannot go. Had is used when there are two actions in the sentence, so this cannot also go. That means the correct answer is are. They are going to the market now. 4. The book blank on the table. Here we have a singular subject, book. So our verb is supposed to be singular. And in this sentence, nothing shows that it is a past action. Whenever there is nothing showing that it's a past action, use the present verb in the option. So are is plural, it cannot go with book. Was is past tense, there is no past tense marker here. The correct answer should be is. The book is on the table. Are is plural, was is past tense, has cannot also go, it is a present perfect tense. Okay, so is the correct answer. 5. We blank happy to see you yesterday. Here we have a plural subject, we. Our verb is supposed to be a plural verb. Also, we have yesterday indicating that the action is past. So are is present, it cannot go. Where is a past tense. Can it go? We were happy to see you yesterday. Yes, this is correct. Where is plural, it goes with our subject and it indicates past action. So this is correct. We were happy to see you yesterday. 6. She blank never visited Abuja before. We have a singular subject, so our verb must be singular. We also have this word never, which always goes with present perfect tense. Have is plural, it cannot go. Had cannot go. There is only one action in the sentence. Has, can it go? Yes. It is a present perfect tense and it's singular. It goes with our subject. So has is the correct answer. She has never visited Abuja before. 7. Students blank preparing for their exams at the moment. What do you think is the correct answer to this one? Should it be was, are, were, or have? We have students as our subject and it is a plural subject. So our verb must be a plural verb. Was is a singular verb. It cannot go. Are is plural. Can it go? Now you have to also consider if the action happened in the past. Look at this part of the sentence. At the moment. At the moment shows that it is currently happening. So we must use a verb in the present. Okay? Where is past tense? It cannot go. Have cannot also go because the action in the sentence is happening at the moment. So are is the correct answer. The students are preparing for their exams at the moment. 8. I blank been to Lagos twice this year. Should it be had, has, have, or is? Now figure out this one and let me know what you think in the comment section.